Hello, EABH community. EABH made a bold move when we decided to start our construction of Bloco 1. The board and the administration remain focused and committed to the long-term vision of the school, even with the conundrum brought on by the pandemic. We took advantage of the mandated school closure and initiated the groundwork for construction while students and staff were not on campus. This allowed us to accelerate the construction of Bloco 1, and consequently, our new building is now complete. We are very proud to have met yet another major deadline. The next steps now involve receiving the appropriate authorizations so we can start using our new facility.
O prédio foi todo construído dentro das estratégias bioclimáticas, visando principalmente a questão da grande inércia térmica, cores claras na parte interna e externa, ventilação cruzada permanente, né? O prédio, com essa questão da ventilação cruzada permanente, ele nos garante além da questão da renovação constante do ar, de manhã, de tarde, de noite, né? Ele garante, vamos dizer assim, a limpeza do ar e uma temperatura mais agradável do prédio, né? O prédio fica com a temperatura praticamente da madrugada, do ar da manhã, né? E não tem aquele ar viciado também que normalmente tem em todo o prédio que se é construído. Então é um diferencial muito grande para a escola, dando uma sensação térmica muito agradável e também uma absorção acústica, um conforto visual do prédio, através da sua claridade, a sua beleza interna e externa.
Bloco 1 has been funded by the Association Fee Reserve, which was established by the association to specifically fund large projects of this type. Its purpose is dedicated to the longevity and maintenance of our school. Through transparent governance and professional management, we have been able to oversee the proper completion of this project. We have genuinely leveraged this crisis into an opportunity.
So what I saw here is that we first of all have a building that was constructed within budget and within the budgeted time. And I think this is very impressive. But what is even more impressive is the building that was constructed. It is, as the architect said to me, a healthy building. And I think this, as a parent, makes me feel very good. And I think it's very important that we are showing our identity as a school also in the way how we are increasing and constructing new additions to our campus.
As one of the first establishments in Buritis, EABH celebrates 65 years of international education, community, and friendship. With over 25,000 square meters, our sprawling campus drapes over one of the many rolling hills of Belo Horizonte. And with our new construction, we have been changing the landscape of not only BH, but we've also been changing the landscape of education too. 65 years of history makes us one of the most traditional schools in Minas Gerais. But to remain relevant, we have advanced our curriculum over the years and now offer 4 distinguished classical programs called the International Baccalaureate Program for the PYP and MYP, the Brazilian Program, and the Advanced Placement Capstone Diploma Program. Yet these achievements do not keep us from resting on our laurels. We continue to work ambitiously, developing competitive strategic plans, and we continue to evolve, constantly innovating our practice and enhancing our skills to adapt to our current times with contemporary learning structures. On this Thanksgiving, I am grateful for the opportunity to have been serving the EAVH community for 12 years as the head of school. It's been rewarding to help our school grow one student at a time, one teacher at a time, and to build new learning spaces surrounded by our school culture that is based on our core values of respect, care, and collaboration. Thank you for your trust, support, and ongoing encouragement. Happy Thanksgiving.